Testing these two CAN wires right here for 120 ohms because I got it disconnected from one of the resistors, which is the OBD2 module. I have the right resistance and a back probe right there. Low speed or medium CAN, no, high speed, medium CAN right here, I believe. But same thing, the resistor is inside the OBD2 connector module and the other one is in the other side of the network. I'm looking for 120 ohms right there. Get 120. And back probe right there. I plug the OBD2 port back in the connector to the module because it's a Ford. And that resistor is good because it'll drop from 120 to 60 ohms. I plug this connector back in and I'm back probed on these two connectors, 2 pins. I'm using my H scope. Doesn't look that bad. Right now it looks like that because the key's off.